Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Placed Soon. In this video, let us see how to reverse a string word-wise. Now, consider the given string Get Placed Soon. If you reverse the string normally, it look like this: NOOS, space, DACALP, etc. So, the capital letters, small letters, spaces, everything from left to right becomes right to left. But I don't want our string to be like this. I want to reverse a string word by word. So, I want Get Placed Soon to become Soon Placed Get. Now, let's see how to achieve this in programming. Now consider the string get placed soon. We have three words with two spaces between get and placed and soon. The idea here is to split the string into array of substrings. Now how do we split it? We split it with the concept of delimiter. The delimiter is a concept of separation. Here we use space character. So wherever we have a space, we split it into a substrings, right? So we have two spaces, therefore we got three substrings: get, placed, and soon. I repeat the whole thing. We split the string into array of substrings using the space character as the delimiter. The resulting substrings are stored in the array. They are get, placed, and soon. Now let's create a string variable result. In the string variable result, whatever we are going to iterate, we just store in the string variable result and then we'll print it at the end. Now we will loop through this array. We loop in the reverse order. So it starts from the last index, that is soon, s dot length minus 1, and decrements I until it reaches 0. Now the I pointer is at soon. We just append the soon into the result variable. After that, you can see an underscore here. I just put an underscore, it's just a space. So what are we doing here? We append a space character after each element is appended to the result variable to separate the reversed words. Okay, for your understanding, for your clarity, I just kept underscore. It is nothing but space here. Now we appended soon. Now we decrement the I pointer. The I pointer will go to placed. We append placed followed by space. Now again I pointer will be decremented. It will go to get. So get is added to result variable followed by a space. Now I reached 0, right? So the loop is done. Now what we do? We remove this extra space at the end. Now the loop completes. So the get placed soon becomes soon placed get. Now let's see how to write this in code. Here in the code we have a class named string underscore reverse. In the main function, in the first line, we have created a string variable named input. The input value is get placed soon. In the next line, we have created a string array named yes. Here in the string array, we are saving the input variable value, that is get placed soon, with splitting. So what are we doing here? We are creating an array of substrings by splitting it into substrings with the help of space character. This concept is called delimiter. After that, in the next line, we are creating a result string variable and we are initializing it with a null string. Now we enter to the loop. As discussed earlier, the loop runs from the end of the array, that is s dot length minus 1 to till it becomes 0. So the loop runs in reverse order. We decrement the I pointer till we reach 0. Inside the loop, we are adding the I pointer value with a space in the result variable. Now, once the loop is completed, we remove the extra space at the end. How do we remove it? In the print statement here, we are printing the reversed string excluding the last space. Here, when we discussed earlier, we have soon space, placed space, get space. So, what are we doing? We are printing soon, we are printing space, we are printing placed, we are printing space, we are printing get. Till here only we will print. After that, we are not printing the extra space at the end. So here, with the help of result dot substring 0 to result dot length minus 1, we are not printing the whole result. Result dot length minus 1 only we are printing, so that the extra space at the end is removed. The extra space at the end is not printed. So this is how we reverse the string word wise. Now this is a basic approach. Now let's discuss another approach of solving this. But before that, let me introduce you to the concept of leading spaces and trailing spaces. Now consider the string. The string consists of a space, get, space, placed, space, soon, space. So this string has both trailing and leading spaces. Leading space is nothing but a string starting with a space. You can see here I have put underscore for your understanding. It is nothing but a space. Okay, the leading space is nothing but a string starting with a space. Here in our string we have get. Okay, the trailing space is nothing but the string ending with a space. After soon also we are having a space. Now if we trim both leading spaces and trailing spaces, we get placed soon without any unnecessary spaces at beginning or end. This you know, beginning is leading space, ending is trailing space. Extra spaces are nothing but more than one space between words. That also we can remove when we are reversing the string. Now let's see how to do that, and let's check the new approach here. Now consider the string subscribe to get placed soon. So similar to earlier, we split this string into array of substrings. So subscribe to get placed soon. Now the idea here is to use two pointers. One is left pointer and the other is right pointer. Left pointer is set to 0, that is the starting of the index in the first word, and right pointer is set at the end of the array. So it's the last index. Now what are we doing here? We are swapping these two. So subscribe and soon will swap their places. After that, we increment left pointer and we decrement right pointer. So the left pointer will come to 2, right pointer will come to placed. After that, again we swap these two things. Placed and 2 get swapped. After that, again we increment left pointer and decrement right pointer. Now the pointers meet at get. So no need to move the left and right pointers more. So the reversed string finally is soon placed get to subscribe. If you read it from right to left, it becomes subscribe to get placed soon. With this approach, we can reverse a given string word by word wise. Now let's see how to code this. First look at the main function here. In the main function here, we have string yes is equals to get placed soon with so many extra spaces. After that, we have created an array of string with the name words. The words will split the given string into array of substrings as shown in the previous approach. After that, we have created a result string variable where we are passing the words to this reverse function. In the reverse function, now let's go to the reverse function and see what happens. In the reverse function, we are passing the words, the array of substrings, right? We are passing the words. After that, we are taking two pointers. One is left pointer, that is at the starting of the string, and the other is at right pointer, that is at the end of the string. Now we are doing a loop. The loop is used to swap the words at the corresponding indices in the array. So we are taking a temporary variable, storing the left word in the temporary variable. After that, we are swapping the left with right and the right with temporary. Once we are swapped with the two pointers, we increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer to shift the all the elements, all the remaining elements. Once the shifting process is done, once the reversing process is done, we are joining the reversed words together into a single string using the string.join method. You can also see a space here. The space character is used as a separator between the words. Now finally, resulting string is trimmed using the ris.trim method, which removes any leading or trailing spaces. The concept of leading or trailing spaces we have discussed in the previous slides. So after this function runs, we return this result variable to our main function, and the main function will print the string soon placed get. So this is how we reverse the string get placed soon to soon placed get. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you understood completely. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Please like and share this video if you like it. And please subscribe to our channel, Get Placed Soon. Thank you so much.